back to your own channel, Balvigyan Bharti, with your guide and friend, you can say, Vilas Sarkar. Actually, very long I am associated with this channel and with you through that channel, and I'm trying hard to bring some interesting lessons for you, some interesting problems, some concepts, so that it would help you. That my expectation always, but something is missing. That the that the relations between you and me is not building too much because I'm not getting your feedback. So that is the only the way that we can connect each other. If in case you are following me and you are liking, disliking, whatever be the case, whatever be the emotions, or whatever be the conditions, or the reactions is coming to you, or you are liking or disliking something, you can very free to give me that feedback. Actually, on that feedback, I can grow, I can correct myself, I can search for new ways of teaching, new ways of representing things. But it is always a one-way traffic. I can understand. I'm not getting your feedback, and that way I'm too much means you can say demoralized, and I'm not able to find myself whether I'm going in the correct way or not. Although I'm trying, and I will go on trying, I will not stop myself, and I will teach it to the extent possible, the way I can contribute uh, to someone's life. If even a single person is following me, and I want to make him profitable, that is my aim or intention. So on that note, I expect that you will connect to me through that platform that is there in the comment section. You can comment anything you like or dislike, or if you want to correct me somewhere I have mistaken somewhere, if it is there, then also I don't mind. I will always be there, because there is no means end of learning. Means I can learn from anybody, because I am not the only person who knows all this thing. There are people who knows better than me, so I can correct myself. So that would be a two-way learning platform, and I always invite good things in my life, so I don't bother if it is even a criticize to me. I will accept it positively. So on that note, I'll move on to the next problem, that is a profit and loss, problem number 36. A retailer buys product from a shopkeeper, product from a shopkeeper at a discount of at a discount of 40% on a list price, on list price, okay, on list price, and sell it to and sell it to customer at a discount of 25% on the lease price. Okay, so what is the percentage profit? Okay, fine. So we'll start on a note, on a term exactly. This term is the list price, and both the case it has been referred as a list price. The discount is referred as a list price on the list price itself. So we have to understand, the first thing is that list price is what? List price, as I taught you in the theory section, is nothing but the marked price. So this is the first thing you have to keep it in your mind. The list price or the marked price or the label price. The another term is label price. If you may come across with that, label price. All three terms are same. There may be so many other representation, but all this meaning are same. That is, after the packaging of a product, whatever price written on the packet, that where it is being manufactured, in that when it is being manufactured, then after the packaging also being done on the same manufacturing unit, before it is come out from the factory, before then that the price is printed or punched on the envelope or the packing itself. So this price can seen by anybody. Anybody means from the starting from the manufacturer to the end user who is using it as a end product, is visible to everybody. So that means this list price or the market price or the label price cannot change. So this assumption or this concept you have to be very much clear in your mind, that list price or the market price or the label price cannot be changed. This is the price. This a one time declared price. So the transaction is happening, the retailer buys product. So retailer is in between. There is a shopkeeper who is selling it to retailer, and retailer in turn selling it to customer. So retailer is getting a discount of 40%, means from the price he is the listed here to the shopkeeper, he is giving 40% discount, and the same the customer is getting 25% discount on the list price. So that means for him also the price is being referred with respect to the list price. So if I assume the list price be 100, so this would be 60 and this would be 75, because 25 minus 100 minus 25 is 75, 100 minus 40 is 60. So this is the equation. Now from here the profit in between is 15 rupees. So if it is the profit, and for him the cost price is 60, so into 100 percentage will give you 25%. So this is the answer. So rest of the things very easy. Only thing you have to concentrate on the word list price, because both the discounts is given on the list price. So list price is taken once when it is being manufactured and packaged. So you don't confuse with the list price, because this list price cannot vary to person. He cannot mark any other price on the product. So the list price is referred as the first price when it is being manufactured. Okay. Moving to next problem. 37. A retailer cheats his wholesaler and customer both. Okay, he purchased 19% more from wholesaler and sells 50% less to customers. customer. Okay, what is percentage profit if CP is same, if cost price is same. Okay, so now there are too many means there are many information. The first information that he is cheating both way. That means first you have to understand where the retailer is positioning. He is positioning between wholesaler and the customer. So he is cheating both, keeping himself at between, so and getting profit. So this is the most important position, if he can cheat both and get profit. Other way, if it is a forward transaction, he should profit from him, this is the natural way, but he somehow can manage to cheat him and cheat him too. So this is a specific condition we have not come across in theory part. Okay, the first thing is that this is we have been studied, so where the cost price is same. So one thing is sure, he is not getting profit on cost price, because whatever cost price is paying, he is selling at that cost price, that is sure. So where he is getting profit? Cheating in weight only. Okay, fine. So in between, what is the cheat percentage? Is 19%. Now anything gain due to the weight. So I will solve it in two methods. So this is method 1 that we have taught. This is method 1. I am now discussing about anything gain is the formula is true weight, false weight by false weight. Now when I have taught you, I only discussed the forward transaction where the cheating happens in forward direction, but here it is two directions. So what is the perspective of cheating? With his perspective, if I say the true weight for the wholesaler, if I say the true weight for him is what? It is, let's say 100%. So he is selling 100 kg and retailer is getting 109 kg, as he is getting 19% more. So the true weight for him, the wholesaler, should be 100 minus false weight for him is this much, and this will be the equation for him. If you want to calculate the loss, because he is anyhow losing, that we understand, because he is giving more, so that means he is losing. So when you will calculate the loss percentage of someone, so from his perspective, what is the true weight? It is 100 that he is giving. He seems to be given, means he is giving to other, but the false weight that he is not aware of, he is giving this much. So this will be the equation. But with perspective of the retailer, if I say for him the true weight is this one, because he know he is getting this much. For him the false weight is 100, he is supposed to gain. This is false weight divided by the false weight. So from his perspective, he is getting 19%. If I follow this, then only I can say this, he is getting 19%. If you calculate it, you will get 19%, isn't it? So that means for first case, the weight sold, I can say, the false weight you can say for this. I need not to say, but even for clarity, and the true weight is 119 kg, 19 kg, and in between he is giving 15% less. So from his perspective, the true weight is what? 100. From his perspective, true weight is 100, that is showing to the customer, and the false weight is equal to, that is not shown to him, is 85. This is false weight he is giving. Okay, means instead of 100 kg is giving for 85 kg, 15% less is giving. So for him, if we want to calculate percentage of gain, because first case gain already known, but second case gain is not known, only how much less he is giving, that is known. So gain percentage is the formula true weight minus false weight. Now this part I will rub, this is no need, because just for understanding how that 90% has came, I shown you. So for this case, the forward case, C R to C means retailer to customer, true weight minus false weight by false weight. This is the formula for calculating gain. So what is the true weight? That 100 kg is supposed to give, that is the weight I am putting to equalize the product. So this is the true weight, and the false weight is 85 kg upon the false weight 85. So what is gain here? 15 upon 85. This is the percentage gain, and if I multiply it with 100, so this will be the percentage gain. Now calculate this. 15, 3, 5, 5 ones are 17. So this is gain for second case between these two is 3 upon, let's say 300 by 17. So this is the gain. Now for consecutive transaction, what is the percentage total gain? Total gain formula is M plus N plus Mn by 100. This formula you used to use, will use, because that we have learned. If consecutive to profit or loss, whatever, in this case it is profit. If it's consecutive to gain is there, profit is there, then this is the formula for total gain. Now put this, M is equal to 19%. I am taking it in percentage because directly it will give you the percentage. Plus N is how much? 300 upon 17. This is percentage again. Plus 19 into 300. 300 into 19. So 17 will come below. So this is equal to how much? 5700. 5700, isn't it? By 17 and followed by 100. 100 will come. So this will cancel. 57 by 17. So if I calculate this, now I will calculate the total gain. The total gain percentage is equal to 19 plus 300 by 17 plus 57 upon 17, isn't it? So what is the percentage here? 17 into 19, 33, 9, 1, 3, 2, 3, 6, 33, 1, 9, so 3, 2, 3. So 3, 2, 3 plus 300 plus 57 by 17. So all total how much? 5, 7 and 3, 0. This 0, 1, 3, 5, 3 and 5, 8, 3, 3, 6, 6 upon 17. So 17, 4. So that is equal to 40%. Okay. So the what percentage he will get? This is 40%. Okay. So remember this answer. I will go with the another method of solving this. Okay. The method 2. This is very important problem. Okay. So you need to be very much focused on this problem. This is a very specific problem. Now another method. Let he is paying A rupees for 100 kg to the wholesaler, the retailer. He means retailer pay to wholesaler. Okay. So cost price apparent, I am saying, is equal to the total price by the This could be the case per kg cost, but he is gaining 19%. That means 119 kg is getting. So actual cost price is equal to what? A upon 119. This will be the actual cost he is incurring, means the retailer who is cheating everybody. So retailer, actual cost price for retailer is this one. Similarly, when he is selling, he is supposed to give the same cost price, selling price, sorry. Selling price would be equal to the cost price, because as per the condition, cost price is same. Profit if cost price is same, that means for him whatever be the cost price, for retailer customer is getting the same cost price. So cost price is equal to the selling price, then only the customer will get in the same price. Okay, so for everybody he's saying I got it in this price, I'm selling it, so I'm keeping the cost price same for everybody. But actually the selling price actual would be how much? Instead of 100 kg is giving 85 kg. So if a rupees being distributed in 85 kg, so this will be the selling price for him, because he is not cheating in price but he is cheating in weight. So the less weight, if it is divided the same price, I will get higher cost per kg. This is the higher cost per kg. Now this is the selling price. So my profit will be calculated on the actual one, what he is incurred, because what has been spent. So that profit percentage is equal to, not percentage, profit is equal to actual selling price minus actual cost price, isn't it? That is equal to A by selling price is A by 85 minus A by 119. Fine. So this is equal to, if I take A common, that will be 119 minus 85 upon 85 into 119. So that is equal to A into 34, 19, 34, 85 into 119. Fine. So this is the profit. Now if I am to calculate the percentage profit, percentage of profit is equal to profit divided by CP, cost price. So A into 34 divided by 85 into 119, and the cost price was, actual cost price was how much? This one, he has actually paid A by, because he is getting higher weight than the expected. So now it has to be multiplied with 100 to get percentage. Now you know this cancelled, this cancelled. What is remaining? 34 upon 85 into this all cancelled, into 100 is there to get. So this is 34 twos are, and 17 twos are 34, 17 5. So that is equal to 200 by 5 percentage, that is equal to 540 percentage. Understood? So this is the another method for calculating. The next problem is 38. It says if sale price doubled, if selling price doubled, profit tripled, find profit, find percentage profit. Now I think this is very easy, but still I am showing because it's a one line information, and from there everything you will get. Now if it is double, that means initially there are some selling price, I'm taking it as a selling price S initially, and the profit was P. So what will be the equation for that? And cost price say C. So the profit is equal to the selling price minus cost price upon cost price. This will be the profit. I am not taking as a percentage because percentage will come later. It is very easy to calculate So in this second case, when that profit, the selling price doubled, that means profit is tripled. So instead of P, I can take 3P, and selling price is doubled. Cost price is not changed because cost price is not said any information, so cost price is not changed. Because that also true, because cost price cannot be changed because he has purchased the thing. He has a command on the selling price, not on the cost price, because he is getting from somewhere. So this is the common sense. Cost price cannot be changed. He has only has the control on the selling price, from that on the margin of profit. So if it is the case, so from there we can say the S by C minus 1 is P, and S is equal to, and C is equal to, better, C is equal to, or anything, means S is equal to 1 plus P into C. Here what is the case? 2S by C minus 1, so 2S is equal to 1 plus 3P into C. So S is equal to 1 plus, or I will keep it like that. So this is the equation 1, this is equation 2. If I divide 2 by, I am dividing 2 upon 1, this is equal to 2, and here I will leave with 3P plus 1 on the numerator, and this will be P plus 1 in the denominator, and C and C, S and S will be cancelled out. So from there 3P is equal to plus P was equal to 2P plus 2. From there P is equal to 1. So that means P is equal to 1 means what? The percentage profit, I have to multiply it with 100. So that is 100% profit. So this is the answer. Okay. Okay, moving to next. 39. A shopkeeper, the same problem but with a different dimension. This time it is coming. A shopkeeper to cheats. Again, it is a cheating problem. Cheats to the extent of 10% while buying and selling by using false weight, Okay, his total gain. What is his total gain? Now this problem has, although it seems to be similar as I have discussed in the earlier case where two methods I have discussed, but this is somewhat little different. How it is different? In that case, the thing is given that he is getting 19% from the wholesaler, and he is giving 15% less. So dialogue has changed there. When he is selling, there the information was 15% less he is giving, but here straightway it is saying that both the cases, when it is cheating to the either side person, is 10%, his extent means cheats 10% while buying and selling by the way false weight. So that means this can be taken as the gain for him. Means if retailer is there as shopkeeper, so from either side, from where it is, means let's say this wholesaler, he is gaining 10% here, is gaining 10%. So this is straightforward gain is there. It's not saying that how much weight he is cheating. Now if it is given as how much weight he is cheating, so you have to find the gain, actually gain, financial gain. So that gain will be formulated for total gain m plus n plus mn by 100. These m and n are the financial profit gain, not the weight gain. In the earlier problem it is given 15% less. So the 15% less is what? Of weight. In 19% gain also is said in the weight, but there I have shown you the, if I follow this formula, that is coming 19% only if I consider that true weight is equal to 119 minus false weight that he seems to give for him, means on in respect is perspective of the retailer there. So then only he will get 19%. So if it has to be matched 19%, so that is also clarified with the weight. But here is directly saying that the gain. So you can put the values in the formula directly. It is 10 plus 10 plus 10 into 10 by 100. So all total 20 plus this is 1 is equal to 21%, because all are in percentage, so I need not to take 100 multiplication, straightforward it will be. So this is the difference between the dialogue. So you have to be cautious, you need not to calculate further what is the gain, because gain is there in the problem. Okay, so this is for now. I will end up here, and the next video I will move on to the problem number 40. By then, see you and keep following me. If anything is there, kindly comment, put your comment on the comment section. If it is even the criticize some of the part that you are not liking, you also can say, so that I can improve upon. So thank you for now. Bye bye.